Hi students, now in unit number 4, chi-square test, sum number 2, the units produced by a plant are classified into 4 grades. The past performance of the plant shows that the respective proportion are 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1. To check the runout of the plant, 600 parts were examined and classified as follows. Is there any evidence of a change in production standard? Okay. Grades are given by first, second, third, fourth, and total 600 parts are examined. First grade 340 parts, second 130, third 100, and fourth part is 30. Okay, now our solution. First, we have to build up our hypothesis. So our H0 is hypothesis is H0. We can write there is no change in production standard, or we can write the production is in proportion is in proportion 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1. Okay. Now we have to prepare a table. First, our first column is grade. Okay. Now, first grade. Then we have to leave a line. Then by second grade, third grade, and fourth grade. Okay. Now, after this, we have to write O. OI. OI means observed units. Observed units are given here 340 for first standard, first grade, then by 130, after this 100 and 30. Okay, and the total is given by sorry total is given by 600. Okay, now we have to find expected value, expected units or expected value. See, there are total 600 units are given and proportion is given by 8 is to 4 is to 6 is to 2. So we can find the expected value for first grade in the way total number of units 600 into proportion is 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1. Total uh, is 15. So we can write here 18 by 15. Okay. So expected value of first grade is 320. Similarly, for second grade, 600 multiplied by 4 by 15, and it is equals to 160. Now, for third grade, it is 600 multiplied by 2 by 15, it is equals to 80. And fourth grade, 600 multiplied by 1 upon 15, and we will get it is equals to 40. Okay, this is our expected values. This is our expected values, EI. Okay, EI. Now we have to find OI minus EI whole square. OI minus EI whole square, or we can directly find OI minus EI upon EI. Okay. Now see, 340 minus 320. 340 minus 320, we get 20. 20 square is 400. Now in second, 130 minus 160, it is equals to 30, and 30 square is 900. 100 minus 80, 100 minus 80 is equals to 20, and 20 square is also 400, and 30 minus 40 it is equals to 10, and 10 square is 100. Okay. After this, our final column is y minus ei whole square divided by ei, divided by ei. Okay. Now we have to divide this column by ei. Like 400 divided by 320, we will get 1.25. It is equals to 1.25. 900 upon 160, it is equals to 5.625. 5.625. Then by 400 upon 80, we will get 5. And 100 upon 40, we will get 2.5. And the total of this column is 14.38 or 375. Okay. Now our calculation of chi-square calculated value. Our chi-square calculated value. The formula of chi-square calculated value is chi-square calculated value is equals to sigma y minus ei whole square divided by ei, and we already find here it is equals to 14.375. Okay. Now degree of freedom. Okay, for comparison we have to find df. Df is equals to what? N minus 1. N minus 1, and here 4 grades are given. 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Therefore chi-square table value is equals to, if we see in table value for 5% level of significance, we get 7.815. It is approximately 7.82. Now see the value. Calculated value is 14.38 and table value is 7.82. Obviously calculated value is greater than table value. Therefore, or here we can write here chi-square calculated value is greater than chi-square table value. Okay. Therefore, hypothesis may be H0 may be rejected. So we can say that the production is not in proportion 8 is to 4 is to 8 is to 4 is to 2 is to 1.